girls, do you want to get $10 off your order with a free hair scrunchie? Then shop Lively right now. Click the link in my bio and sign up, and you get $10 off using my code. Thank me later, girls. Super easy, and I'm about to order my swimwear for the summertime. Hot girl summer ready. Period.
What is up, KG babes? We are back with another video, and I know y'all probably like, oh, what is going on? Why she looks so freaking bald head? But you guys, so this is going to be a makeup. This is basically gonna be like my everyday routine, what I would do. Heard a clip of my ponytail I did, and so right here, you got to see it right there. And so I'm basically going to show you guys how I did that ponytail, and I wore that for my sister's gender reveal. I went with my Clean and Clear Essentials Foam and Facial Cleanser, which is right here. I have the step 3, which is a dual action oil free one, which is really, really, really good for like when you're doing makeup. First, I do my brows, and I'm getting really, this is my first time ever getting this up close with you guys, so you guys can really see this process. So enjoy it while it's here. Anyway, so we're gonna do the other one off camera, you guys. So be back in a blizzy. Okay, guys, so we're back. I have both of the brows on. This is what they're looking like. Super cute. This is what they look like up close. Don't get it twisted. Don't play with your girl, because she's not one of... No, play. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get into the foundation. My foundation is simple. Like I said, this is my everyday makeup look. So it's very simple. Thinking about going ahead and setting this, just matte it a little bit more. This look I have on with my Fit Me. Something you guys rarely see me do. Literally. And a little X on the forehead. nose, which is my favorite part of makeup. Nose. Go ahead and put a little glitter down the chimney. And of course, I take a little bit of brown. I go up here. I love. Put on the side. I kind of got it. Got it a little bit on top of that that brown color. And it popped really nice. There we go. Oh, just make sure this is all fanned out right. So I'm gonna take a little bit of a black and kind of go put it on both sides. Because I love brown. Brown is that bitch. I'm gonna go in with this color Calvary. It's a dark brown. And I just usually I love brown. So I go back over that black that it just shaded in, and I go back over it with the little brown, and that's how you guys are getting this look today. We're gonna definitely start on the hair. Let's get into it. Just because I sectioned my hair off in 3 ponytails. So I'm gonna go ahead, twist these down. Okay, so I have the back ponytail. I'm not combing anything out because I don't have time for it. And this is just a quick hairstyle for me to just keep my hair up in. My brush, I got this, a little bit left anyways, which is cool because I'm buying some more of some edge control, but I won't get this because I don't like gel in my hair. I love edge control, hard edge control anyways. So taking a little bit, going in the back of my head. Ponytail period. There we go. Anyways, you guys, so that concludes all of this luscious look for you guys. So I'm gonna put my scarf on for real. Anyways, so if you guys want to see more content like this, of course, make sure you let me know. Okay, so where I got to space a little bit sentimental. Make sure you use the code that's in the description box down below that you've seen in the beginning of the video. Anyways, bye, we're out. Peace.
Best in the world. Can I take a picture, modify it on my wall? Make I take it to Nigeria, Lagos straight to Kenya. See the gift of nature, we go make you love adventure, yeah. Yeah, you know.